Find features that distinguish it from other brands for DIERLIGHT RGB permanent outdoor lights. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Unique triangular lighting effect. This permanent outdoor light system features a special lens design that projects an eye-catching triangular light pattern, ensuring your home stands out for both everyday elegance and festive celebrations. Dual control via app and remote. Easily manage your 300 feet outdoor string light with the Louts Lantern app or the included 44-key IR remote. Choose from various dynamic modes like flash, gradient, and strobe, and freely select from millions of colors. Note: individual light control is not supported. Music sync and timer function. Elevate any gathering with the music sync feature, where these LED Eaves lights change color to the beat of your music. The built-in timer and memory function also allow for automated daily on/off scheduling. Easy and customizable installation. Designed for a hassle-free setup with strong adhesive backing and screw fixings. Simply attach these permanent outdoor lights to a clean, dry surface. The outdoor string light can also be cut to your desired length for a perfect fit. All-weather and all-season use. Built with IP67 waterproof LEDs and IP65 rated control boxes, these durable LED Eaves lights withstand the elements. Perfect for year-round decoration on eaves, and for holidays like Christmas, Halloween, and weddings. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.